Hello everyone. Today I am presenting a vlog on a beautiful place called Jangeshu, which is near famous Kasoli hill station in Himachal Pradesh. This place is located on Old Kasoli Road. Basically, Jangeshu is a village in Solan district of Himachal Pradesh. This place is located at 1483 meters above sea level. Kasoli Gadkhal 2 kilometers, Gadkhal Sanavar 3 kilometers, Taksal 4 kilometers, Ghanol 4 kilometers are nearby villages to Jangeshu. Chandigarh 45 kilometers, Shimla 73 kilometers, Dharampur 14 kilometers, Solan 31 kilometers are nearby cities to Jangeshu. Here are two pools plus natural waterfall. Among two pools, one pool can be booked privately for family. Beautiful passage goes down with lush green dense forests and mountains all around. This place is very famous for couples and with a low cost you can enter and you can enjoy in a pool and as well as in the natural mountain waterfall. The road condition is good and from here you can also visit Kasoli hill station which is very near to this place, and you can visit this place at any month of the year. Jangeshu Waterfall at Kasoli is a famous place among tourists who enjoy Mother Nature's view. You can find there a green environment, natural waterfalls, and a friendly atmosphere. There are many types of trees, flowers, and wild areas available for tourists. There are many hotels and restaurants available for you to stay in. You can also arrange a birthday party for your friends and family members. You can also arrange your pre-wedding photo shoot there and book hotel for your honeymoon stay. At Jangeshu Waterfall, you can find many other mini waterfalls. Many hotels in this area also provide a private swimming pool for their customers. You may enjoy the waterfall as well as swim. If you find this vlog interesting and helpful, you may subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. Thanks to all my viewers for watching this vlog till end.